In this video, I'll show you how to make Windows apps always run as administrator in Windows. Normally, you run apps as administrator when you need access to protected files or system settings. First, let's quickly look at the basic way. If you have an app shortcut, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. You may be asked to enter a PIN, password, or confirm by clicking Yes. You can also do this from the Start menu. Search for an app, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator from there. Now, if you want an app to always run as administrator without doing this every time, here's how to set it up. Right-click the app shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check Run this program as administrator. Then click Apply and OK. From now on, when you open that app using the shortcut, it will always launch with administrator rights. Keep in mind that if you're using a standard account, Windows will still ask for the admin password or PIN, or ask you to confirm by clicking Yes. That's how you can make Windows apps always run as administrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.